Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious sorbet using your Kuvings juicer. First, select your favorite ripe fruits like berries or mangoes. Cut them into small 1-inch pieces, then freeze them solid for at least 4 hours. Before you begin, let the frozen fruit sit out for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly. This ensures a smooth, creamy consistency and protects your juicer. Now let's set up your Kuvings juicer. Make sure to install the blank strainer, sometimes called the sorbet attachment, which is essential for this process. Turn on the juicer and begin feeding the slightly thawed fruit pieces into the chute one by one. Go slowly, allowing the juicer to process the fruit thoroughly. This method extracts the frozen fruit into a delightful, soft-serve consistency. To perfect your sorbet, you might want to enhance its flavor and texture. If the mixture is too thick, add a small splash of water, fruit juice, or even a plant-based milk. For extra sweetness, consider a drizzle of maple syrup or a spoonful of honey. You can also experiment with fresh mint or a pinch of ginger. Briefly process the sorbet again to ensure all these wonderful additions are fully incorporated. Your homemade sorbet is now ready to enjoy. For the absolute best experience, serve it immediately while it's still soft and creamy. Garnish with some fresh berries, a sprig of mint, or a sprinkle of toasted coconut for an extra touch. If you have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the freezer. It will keep well for about 1 week, ready for your next sweet craving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.